let us begin with our next topic, soil as a resource. Soil is the most important natural resource. It takes many years to form 1 centimeter of soil. Formation of soil take place by various factors that affect it, like climate, physical features of that particular area, etc. Children, there are different types of soils: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil, saline and alkaline soil, then marshy soil. These are the photographs which will be showing you the different color. You can make out from the color also that this is red, this is black, laterite. Then we have one map also. In this map they have given different color combination. They have used that wherever green it is forest and mountain kind of soil. Light blue is showing you alluvial soil. So this is the general presentation of the different kinds of soil which is available all over our country. Children, the first is alluvial soil. It is the most fertile soil. Entire northern plains are made of it. It is classified into two types based on the age, old age and new age. Old age alluvial soil is called as Bangar and new age alluvial soil is called as Khadar. It is good for the growth of sugarcane, wheat, etc. The second kind of soil is black soil. As the name suggests, black means it will be of black color, and it is also called as Ragur soil. Ragur means mixture of sand and clay. It covers Maharashtra, MP, Chhattisgarh, and it is good for the growth of cotton. And next is red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil is red in color because of the presence of iron. Then it is found in eastern and southern part of the Deccan Plateau. It covers Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and it is suitable for the growth of potatoes, fruit like mangoes, oranges, etc. can be grown on it. The next is laterite soil. Laterite word meaning is brick. In Latin, it means brick. Okay, and it is found in the area where there is heavy rainfall and high temperature. Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu are some of the states where you are going to find it. And tea and coffee, cashew nuts, all are the crops which can be grown in this. Then come arid soil. Arid soil are red or brown in color. They are sandy and saline. This type of soil is found in Rajasthan, and any crop which is saline tolerant like wheat, maize, etc. can be grown on it. The last one which is given in your book is forest soil. Forest soils are mainly found in hilly and mountain areas. The soil is loamy and silty. Loamy and silty means it is a mixture of sand and silt. Deodar, sandalwood, jackfruit, etc. can be grown in this kind of soil. Himachal Pradesh, etc. Wherever the mountain ranges are there, this type of soil you are going to find. The last topic of your lesson is soil erosion and its conservation. Soil erosion means when the top layer of the soil gets eroded because of natural process, say for like wind or water are the causes, or because of any human activities like overcropping, overgrazing, deforestation. All these leads to soil erosion. Now children, let us quickly come on the conservation methods of soil. Now in your book they have given various methods. One is contour plowing. Contour plowing means when plowing is done along contour lines to reduce the flow of water. It is called as contour plowing. We can see in the images, these all are the images of contour plowing. And then comes the terrace farming. When the slopes are cut in the shape of steps, it is called as terrace farming. This is the image in order to understand the meaning. कैसा दिखता है terrace farming. Then comes shelter belts. Shelter belts means बेटा नाम ही बता रहा है. When plants or trees are grown to create shelter in the form of lines. Okay, see the three images. हर जगह पर shelter दिया गया है through trees. Crops को shelter देते हैं so that the soil will not get eroded. This is called as shelter. Then comes the strip cropping. Strip cropping means when strips of grass are left in the grove between the crops, it is called as strip farming. अब आप देख रहे हैं in this image the crops are grown in the form of strip. All these things helps to the soil from getting eroded. Children, here we are completing with our chapter. Stay tuned with me. Go through the video nicely if you have any doubt. Have a nice day.